So I'm going to use, let's use the new percent increase decrease formula. So let's set it up here. The amount of change, we have no clue what the amount of change is because we don't know the old and new price. We only know the old price. So that's going to be your X. The original amount, like Contreras says, is going to be $5.50. I could just put 5.5 because $5.5 is $5.50. You don't have to put the 0. You could if you want, knock yourself out. Equals the percent increase, perfect, that's 15, that's a no-brainer, over 100. Now the rest is just cross multiplying and all that jazz, right? So let's do it. Put this down here. All right. So let's see here. 100 times x is 100x. That's cool. And 15 times 5.5. Anybody with a calculator would please help me out? 1,500 or? Well, let's see. $5.50 times 15. It's not going to be in the thousands, huh? 82.5 sounds right. 82.5. So $82 to 82.5. Okay. Now, watch closely. What's going to happen now? I'm going to divide both sides by 100. Okay. So this is gone. X is, I'll move this decimal to the left twice, so it's really 0.825. If you forgot that little trick, that little shortcut, just punch in the calculator, 82.5 divided by 100, you get 80.825. Now, we're dealing with cash. X represented, look at, X represented the original, or the amount of change. The amount of change from the old to the new. So, since we're dealing with cash, let's round this to the nearest cent. In other words, if you're on a cashier and you're going to buy something at the store, it's not going to go to the thousands place. It only goes up to the hundreds place, right? So how many cents is this in money? 80, well, no. Here's the decimal. That's so there's no dollars here. There's no whole dollars, but there's some cents here. How many cents is it? No, dollars would be over here. Right, so look at, here's 80 cents, 82 cents, 0.5. Since this is a 5 or bigger, this moves up to a 3. So this is really 83 cents. Okay? So the amount of change from the old price of fish to the new price of fish, the amount of change is 83 cents. Well, that's the amount of change. Notice what I'm saying. So the new price, we got to figure out. We found the amount of change. That's X, 83 cents. Was this an increase or decrease here? Okay. So let's take the old price, $5.50. We'll take the old price, $5.50. And we're going to increase it by 83 cents. Okay, I'm adding 83. Remember when you deal with decimals, you line up the decimals. So we're about to find the new price of fish so we can answer the dang question. Yeah, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's your price of the fish. What? Any questions on this one? All right, I'm going to show this day in history. While I show this day in history, I'm going to just ask that you relax, close your binders because you're about to be together with your partner. Okay? Actually, take out one piece of paper, by the way. Take out one piece of paper while I play this day in history.